Welcome to Tech Truce Daily, where your next tech obsession is just a fact away. Let's light it up. Your microwave has more processing power than NASA's Apollo computers. The computer that got Apollo 11 to the moon, it had 64 KB of memory that's smaller than a single WhatsApp photo. In fact, your microwave's chip today is more powerful than NASA's moon landing tech, yet they made history with it. Just imagine what you could do with a phone in your pocket and some serious ambition. If that blew your mind, hit like and follow Tech Truce Daily for more insane tech truths.